Hi, this is John Schaefer from Veteran Yacht Sales, and this is a Catalina 425. This is the latest listing with Veterans. 3 things I love about this boat. Number 1, 425 is an ocean vessel. It's made to go on the oceans. Number 2, she's got a long water line, so she's going to be fast. Number 3, it's a very safe boat. Built strong to last. You're going to love this boat.